Let's imagine that you need to design the chassis of a new Formula One car. As an engineer, you will need to optimize some of its properties, such as aerodynamics. This requires understanding the interaction between the new car with the surrounding air. For this end, both prototype physical testing and simulations are carried out. Focusing on simulation tools, you will need to employ a computer to design a new digital geometry and solve the mathematical equations describing the fluid motion. The problem is that the bigger the required precision from the computer, the more time it will take to give the answer back, taking from days to months. The way to face this problem is usually asking a supercomputer to solve the problem for us. More specifically, the geometry is usually split into smaller pieces, assigning each piece to a different computer, as in a working group. Computers then work independently by talking to each other to obtain the solution. Now, if you try to use too many computers, they will spend more time talking rather than working, involving a waste of money in useless computational resources. In this thesis, I have designed more efficient numerical methods that require less mathematical operations and less computer communication. In other words, less computation can be used more efficiently. The method works as follows. The flow variable u is split in three parts, which are solved in three computers. Each piece needs to be evolved in time to a new variable state. This is traditionally done using substeps, where communication between computers is required. In our method, we create new auxiliary variables, represented in colors, that allow obtaining the solution in just one step, effectively reducing communication. Additionally, less operations are needed because auxiliary variables are only created if they are necessary for a target accuracy. Therefore, computation is adapted to the solution needs. The design methods can be used not only for aerodynamics, but also to study, for example, engine combustion or calculate the irradiated aerodynamic noise. Furthermore, it can also be used in other fields such as aviation, meteorology, or even simulation of the human body. With these efficient techniques, in the near future, we will see more and more problems being solved with computer help.